Yeah, so those of you who want to create their wallets and then receive their coins, this is the process. Okay, first of all, you go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using the iOS. Okay, so to create your digital wallet where you're going to keep your digital assets, your crypto or your coins, you go and then search Trust Wallet. Okay, so it is actually this one. Okay, the one with the blue icon. So let's download it. This one is for demo purpose, so I'm actually not putting anything there that is sensitive. Okay, and I'm done with it. I'll just delete it. So let's open the app. So it will ask me two options, that is create a new wallet, and then I already have a wallet. So with a new wallet, it means that you are new to the wallet, you don't have any wallet that you have created before, so that is a new wallet. And then I already have a wallet is when you have created a wallet before and then maybe you have changed phone, or maybe your phone got missing and you want to actually import your account to that new phone, just like bringing your Gmail or your Google account onto a different phone, or maybe your iCloud onto a new iPhone. It's the same thing. So now you create a new wallet. In this video, we are just newbies. We want to create a new wallet. So let's go there. And then it will ask to create a secret passcode. Okay, so you have to create a 6-digit code that nobody will know about it, or you can use it to open your account each and every time. So I'll just, and then I'll confirm it. So it's asking if I should use my biometric. Go to yes, because I have my biometric set on my phone. I'll just click. It says yeah, now my account is ready. So now I can find my wallet straight here, or I can just skip it. So when you look at this place, my balance is 0. I have nothing here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to add my Crepe coin to my favorites. So I'll go to the search button at the top right corner here. You see the icon there. So I type it, and then I'll type the Crepe. You see the first icon here. Okay. Then on the top right corner again, you see the favorite button there. That's the star. So I click it and I add to my watch list. Now you can see my balance here is 0000. Okay, so now let me go back. So when you purchase the coin and I'm supposed to send you the coins, you click the plus sign here. That is the fund. Okay, that is the fund. So you click the plus and then you go to the last option here. Okay, because now the coin is not listed on Binance. When it's listed on Binance, you can click on Binance and then you can follow the steps, and then you can just buy the coins and it will come there. But now, because it's not on Binance yet, we buy it from another exchange before we send it to you. So you click on receive from another wallet. That is the last option here. Then now you search Creepy. Okay, you search it and then you select it. When I select it, you see the copy address here, or this QR code. So you can take a screenshot of this QR code, or you can just click the copy sign and it will come. I don't know why the copy sign is not coming here. Okay, it's here. All right, so it's here. So you can select this copy sign. Okay, and then you go to your WhatsApp and then you send this code to me. Send this code to me. You can just send it to me. All right, that is just to do with creating your wallet and then sending me this code. So this is what I'm going to use to send you your coins. So after I send you the coin, you come back to here where this blue icon is, that is find your wallet. When you come there, make sure that this crypto is selected, and then you see the coin down here. Okay, you see it down here just before this blue find your wallet icon is. You see it here. You see it here. All right, you see the total coin here and the total value here, and you see some dollars too here. So as the price is going up, you see that this dollar actually changing here. You see this place, the numbers will be changing, and as the price comes down to, you see the numbers will also be dropping down. So we are expecting that in the next 2 years the price will actually shoot up to what we actually want. Okay, that is the target. Thank you for watching.